Whole Foods Cheese Lasagna review.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today's video, cheese lasagna. This one's by 365, which is a Whole Foods market brand. And so we're gonna do a quick review on Whole Foods lasagna. And this is what it looks like. It's big and heavy. Look how thick that is. It's really nice, big and heavy. This feeds two people. Easily. This easily feeds two people. So I can't wait. It takes, we're gonna bake this at 400 degrees for about 40-45 minutes. And then we're gonna test it out. Whole Foods cheese lasagna with marinara sauce. All right, let's go make some lunch.
This is what lasagna looks like pre-cook. It looks really, really good. It's still frozen, but everything looks great. Beautiful. All right, so after this is 50 minutes at 400, the lunch is ready. It looks really good. I'll give you the close-up. It looks really, really good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut about half of it out, and I'll let you know what it looks like and what it tastes like. All right, this is a little less than half, so it feeds two people easily. Easily feeds two people. So this is from the inside. It's from a side. That's the end part. And the other side. It looks real good. That's the overview.
All right, time to eat. The first bite, Whole Foods cheese lasagna. It looks real good. What is that? Oh, lizard. It's delicious. And let's eat. Mmm. Oh, it's delicious, man. It's really good. The second bite, it's really, really good. A lot of cheese in there. The sauce is good. For the price, I think it was like $7 or $8.99. This is really good lasagna. Make it home. You get 2 meals out of it. It's a pretty good deal. Easy to make. I'm going to say 4 out of 5. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.